Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability Law Firm. We're going to be doing question 26 of 50 of the top ALJ trick questions. Let's go ahead and begin. If you don't know who I am, I've recorded more Social Security Disability videos than any other attorney out there. Probably recorded more than all of them combined out there at this point. I don't know, but I know I've recorded significantly more than everybody else. Let's go ahead and begin. So what are we looking at? The question that the judge will be asking is, so you drive a car, right? Yes. Oh, yeah. What are your insurance rates? What are your insurance limits? What is your insurance in general that you have on your car? Ooh, all of a sudden, I'm poor, I don't have money, and I'm still paying insurance every month. Right? Some of you guys have the $120 insurance, which is fine. You're just going to say, I saved up, I had the money, I paid for it this year, that's how I'm covered, right? That'll be the gig. Some of you have higher stuff where it's like $200 a month, right? Then you're starting to get into trouble. So let's talk about that. Who pays for the insurance? Do you pay the monthly payments? Do you pay in yearly payments? What are the limits? Have you had any recent accidents that are not on the record? You know, anything where you ran into anybody? Is anything that we need to know about? And here's why. Because if they had an accident, you're going to be saying things to police during the police report, which they want to know. Like, why were you smoking pot and driving? And being very happy when you ran into that other person, when you don't have a medical marijuana card, blah, 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 blah. There's a million examples of things that they can get you on with that. So they want to know, so you drive a car. What kind of insurance plan do you have? It's a good trick question because it goes into a lot of things that lead into the potential of having more medical evidence or penal evidence, you know, somebody pulled you over, yada, yada. Or I guess we'd have to call law enforcement evidence. That would equate to more information that you didn't expect to go ahead and go onto the record. Good trick question. I like it. It's good. All right. If you want up-to-date information, you have a question, shoot me an email, give me a call. On the 9th of April and every Thursday thereafter, 9th is a Thursday, at 8 p.m. you can call me here at the 407-279-1754 phone number, the 407-279-1754 phone number. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and run questions with you and beat you up as if you were in the hearing. Now, people are going to be calling in. That's fine. Just remember, it's first come, first serve, so whoever gets into my phone, I click the button, boom, I'll work with that person, okay? We're now going to be going on to question 27 of the top 50 ALJ questions. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch up with you from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.